I have something for you. Okay. Dahil school is coming back soon, inorderan ko ang anak ko ng mga damit para may masuot siya sa school, especially during civilian day. So gusto ko may maayos siya na maisuot sa school.
I hope you like it.
Oh. Oh. You have to fit and see if it's fit on you or not. Okay. Oh, handsome. Fits on you. Next. Oh, very good. Nice. Try this. Ooh, you look great in the pants. Very nice. I like the clothes. Next. That's nice. With the pants. Wow, that's my little big boy. Do you like all of it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Happy?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My little handsome. You are very... Look at that. It really looks good on you. So show it to Daddy.
Bye.
Show it to Daddy and see what is Daddy reaction, okay?
Okay.
So ipapakita namin sa Daddy niya kung anong reaction ni Daddy niya sa new look ng aming anak.
Wow.
Very small. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay? I forget the color. Do you like it?
Yeah. Yes, it's both brown.
Nice.
Thank you. I know.
So it's not a surprise anymore.
How is it not a surprise if I don't tell you the surprise?
Because I know that you're going to get something for Mommy's birthday.
What kind of something?
I think it's already in my mind. I think I already have a clue. What is it?
What is it? What kind of girl thing?
It's a girl thing.
What kind of girl thing, I said?
You want me to say?
Yeah.
I don't know.
See?
Nagtatanong na siya kung ano daw gusto ko sa birthday ko kasi lagi ko daw sila binibigyan ni Daddy niya. Tapos sabi niya, dadali niya daw si Papa sa mall. Kaya nagtatanong, parang nagbabalak na siya kung naibigay niya sa akin sa birthday ko. O, tingnan no, sinirado pa ang pinto kasi nag-uusap na sila ni Daddy niya. Ay, naku, ito anak ko talaga.